Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will work on our One Piece game. And in the last episode we have finished this 70-pound Phoenix move, and in today's video we will work on a new move called Lion's Song. And after that we are hopefully done with this whole swords topic, unless I have said something else months ago about, yeah, the creation of swords, but I've just forgotten it. Okay, so it already has been months. There could be something I was planning to do, maybe in August and July whatsoever, but now I have forgotten it. Okay, so if there's something like that, then tell me, comment it, and we'll see what we can do. But apart from that, we will work on this move, okay? And then we will hopefully start with the devil fruits, guys. Okay, so the most interesting part about every One Piece game are the devil fruits, and yeah, so we will start working on them soon. Okay, so first of all, why am I in Blender? Of course, I want to create this move called Lion's Song, and of course, it could be that this move looks differently in the anime, but I'm just gonna, yeah, use the name to, create my own stuff out of it. And my plan is to create some kind of shockwave within Blender. And this move is, yeah, just going to play an animation where the player holds the sword in his hands, and then the player just spins one time, and then the shockwave is being created, which just expands and fades out, and everything within its radius is going to receive damage. So that's the idea of this move. And yeah, so let's try and do that. Okay. No. So I'm gonna so those shockwaves right here are going to look like stripes, and that's basically what I'm trying to do right here. So I'm gonna cut out. Okay, so this did not work. Okay, so this does work. So I'm gonna cut out some parts of it. Wait, I should do it this way. Okay. Now it is totally messed up. Never mind. Wait. Ah, guys. Never mind, so let's just work with these ones. We can still realize the idea with those things right here. Come on. Okay, so as you can see, we have this kind of ring. We can now make it, yeah, we could make it look like a shockwave. We're doing the following, so we could expand this thing, we can rotate it, we can duplicate it, so just that kind of stuff to make it look like a cool shockwave. And I think that we are actually done now, because that is okay. For a, yeah, pretty basic shockwave, we should just join all of them to one mesh, so Control and J after selecting all of those, and then you can just go to modifier, and I think that we should add this solidify modifier, because the problem is that, or the problem has to do with the face orientation, so that the face on the outside is of course visible to us, but there is no actual face in the inside. Therefore, when you look at the shockwave from the inside is transparent, while the outside is not transparent. And if we speak of a shockwave, this would not really look like a shockwave. Therefore, we'll have to do that. Then shade smooth and apply this edge split modifier. And now this thing looks pretty cool. Okay, now let's export this thing. So file, export, obj, and then select a folder, and then just save it into that folder, and then we'll see each other in Roblox Studio with importing this thing and then actually using it for our move. Alright, so here we go. So we are back within Roblox Studio. So right click on the workspace, add a mesh part, and yeah, call it Shockwave if you want to. We probably have another instance called Shockwave. Therefore, we'll probably... No, okay, we do not. Then never mind. So give it any color you want it to have. Well, let's pick persimmon. And then where it says mesh ID, go onto that folder icon, and then pretty important, you'll now need to select the item you've just exported from Blender. So you need to select that. And yeah, then it'll be imported into Roblox Studio. Now we can move on with, yeah, designing it. So giving it a certain material, giving it a certain size, and just checking for all of those attributes such as can collide, anchored, whatsoever. Okay, so here we go. So this is our item, our shockwave, and as you can see, we do not have this face problem I have mentioned earlier, so the inside is as transparent as the outside. Okay? Now, I'm gonna select neon as a material. You can pick whatever you want to. We could also use glass if you want to, but let's go with neon. And make sure that it is anchored and that can collide is false. Okay? So there are a bunch of new attributes. Can query. I don't know what that is. I'll probably have to look it up, but yeah. Okay, now let's move it inside of our replicated storage. And yeah, I think that I'm gonna end the video at this point, guys, because I don't want to start with the creation of this new move and then just, yeah, cancel it within the video, you know. So I don't think that we have enough time to complete the complete the whole move within this video. Therefore, I just want to start with the creation of the move in a newer episode or in the next episode, and then actually finish it in the same one. Okay. And you guys already had 2 videos in the past 2 days, okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video with all of your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next video.